Hi, welcome to Amrit. Amrit stands for Anti Aging Medicine and Regenerative Intervention and Treatment. I am Dr. Arvind Poswal from Delhi, India. This is an introductory lecture in anti aging medicine and regenerative treatments. We will be talking about how to keep ourselves from getting unhealthy in the first place. Is aging and bodily degeneration or weakness a natural progression which has to occur, or is it a disease? After a lot of reading, research, and studies and experimentation, I can say that yes, aging is a disease. Aging affects our body at a cellular level. For a long time, doctors have been thinking in terms of organs when they are talking about diseases. That is why, if you see from 1950s, the focus was on controlling and treating the communicable diseases, those that are spread by vectors or from one person to another. So we got medicines for them. I won't go into the list of those diseases, you all know them. And we got a vaccines against a lot of them. Now today, this is 2021. Yes, it is the COVID pandemic, and unfortunately for anti aging medicine, a lot of the research and findings and the push that was required happened in 2020, or rather culminated in 2020, a time when the world was troubled, if I say it mildly, by the COVID pandemic. Nevertheless, this is an important milestone in the history of medicine, one that will have far reaching effects. And I want my countrymen and people all around the world to derive maximum benefit from anti aging medicine and regenerative methods. We do not need to age. Of course, I don't promise everlasting life. That is not my contention. But live healthy as long as you live. Death should be an accident. It should never be an inevitability. Moreover, we should not be spending the last 10 to 20 years of life, nor should our loved ones be spending that time in a nursing home or a care facility or lying on a bed in our home. We are meant to be active. Our bodies are meant to regenerate themselves. The best proof, and the one which is very simple, is to observe yourself between the age of 25 and 35. That is the time when actual aging, as we know it, starts. However, it's at a very minimal level, so not noticeable. So, in that age group, remember, see yourself what you are doing or what you are doing in between the age of 25 to 35. We are fully active. That is called prime of our life. There is a reason for it. At that time, our bodily systems, our cellular systems were working in a way to regenerate our body. Whatever the damages that occur due to disease, living, exercise, pollution, or anything, the body tries to replenish, to regenerate its lost resources. And that is how it regenerates and saves itself. That is what anti-aging and regenerative medicine has focused upon. And that is what I'll try and help you understand so that we all can lead a healthy, a fruitful life without any disabilities which we think occur by an inevitable aging process. That will be the Amrit series of lectures. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email them or WhatsApp them. Please note my email is poswalarvind@yahoo.co.in. I'll introduce myself once again. I am Dr. Arvind Poswal from India, Delhi. If you feel that there are other people who would like to know about it, I would encourage you to please share this and spread and disseminate the information as widely as possible.